Good morning. Hope you guys are all doing good today. Let's see here. Let's just refresh this thing. Good morning. Good morning, Cayman. How you doing? All right. Good morning. Give me 1 second here. Turn this fish filter off. It sounds kind of weird when I'm doing my live stream. So, what's going on? It's always good to be good. That's what I always like to say, right? So here we go. Let's look at what we're going. Good morning, Travis. Sorry. Bad at pronunciations. Hate it. But yeah, today it looks like we are down 2.39% in the morning today. Not too shabby, not great in the morning, not what you love to see, but we're hanging in there. The market went up a little bit ago, had some good news. I expect a drop here in the beginning of the day and a green overall day. Yeah, I remember everyone saying the market was going to be red yesterday. I remember. Good morning. Hope you're doing well, Canada. What's going on? Hope you guys are all having a nifty time here this morning. It's Wednesday. It's 9:02 here in Grand Rapids, Michigan, and I am ready to give you guys some content. Drop, who cares? We got patience. You're right. The king is live. What's going on, silly Rob? We got to try out that new season of Fortnite. We haven't played yet this season, so let me know, and we'll get on there. Good morning. Can you show us some TYME technicals? I actually did make a video on that yesterday. If you want to check it out, I have all the moving averages for TYME currently showing that they are all signaling a buy. I know someone wanted to make a video and say that their bot said that TYME will go down to $1, but I don't think that's true, guys. We have some really solid support where we bounced off of at about 170, and I really don't expect us to go back there again. But if we do, we might hit $1 over the long term, but I don't think that's going to happen. That's the worst case scenario if the market decides to tank, but... You're right, today is Thursday, it's not Wednesday. I'm completely wrong. I'm glad it's Thursday because Wednesday I have my class. So I was actually, after this live stream, I was about to drive to class, so thank you for letting me know. That would have been a complete waste of time. Sexton, what's going on, my dude? Hope you guys are all having a good morning. So let's go in this current situation here of our portfolio. Right now we have $31 of buying power. A lot better than zero, let me tell you that. But let's see, CCIV and PLTR, I love both those companies long term. Both those companies are going to be great holds over the entirety of the year. I love both of them. Will Treasury going up drop the market? The market will not drop because of that. I don't play Warzone. It's just not really fun to me personally. So you stay live for 1 hour, no school? Well, today's Thursday, so I'm in college, so I don't have classes every single day. You want me to be live for a whole entire hour? Well, if you guys want, I could. Not really doing anything huge. So yeah, I can be on as long as you guys want. ALYI. Staying away 8 cents. I don't like it. Good morning from California. Love to see it. SOS is a buy. I agree. TYME to 226 today. That would be nice. I'd like to see it. Buy more NEO today. NEO's a great option long term. TCAT. I like TCAT, but personally, I think it's too high for me right now. I'm going to stay away. My Discord called it out really early, and I think it's a little too late now. BFT. I love BFT. Valorant. Rust. If you can give me the ticker on that, it'd be really appreciated. I can just type it into my thing and kind of look at it. Check. Got a lot of attention recently. And personally, if you're gonna buy it, if you're going to at all, it's at a perfect price point. It jumped up all the way to about 443, and it's all the way down to 227. It's a tough one, guys. After a huge pump like that, we see that it went up to last time, it went up to 290 something. It went all the way down to 75 cents. But the thing is, really good news came out about this one. It's looking like it's trying to stay above the moving average. It's looking like the EMA, we just closed below it yesterday, and so we could see a drop back down to levels of maybe 196. So personally, with a stock like this, I'm staying away. Double bottom on the hourly. It does have a double bottom on the hourly. It does. Plug, I love Plug long term. Still on loose with SOS. Hold or buy more. I would hold. At what price would I stop buying TYME? I don't know what you mean. Like if it went down, would I not buy it? Or if it went up, when would I stop buying? If you could explain that a little bit more, I would be more than happy to answer that. MNOV, staying away. AMC, staying away. IDEX, I like IDEX. I loved it ever since it was at 91 cents and they had their earnings call. I think it's a great one. Yeah, check looks like it could be good. I'm personally staying away, though. ZOM, staying away. MJ, I wouldn't say MJ is better than POTX. They're both very comparable. Some days POTX will outperform MJ, and some days MJ will outperform POTX. But overall, both of them are great weed ETFs. And if you want to get pretty heavy into the weed ETF sector, buying both of them is not a bad option. It just means more diversification when it comes to weed ETFs for your portfolio if it goes up. So, when I'm going to stop buying TYME is my rule of thumb with stocks like TYME. Do not buy the stock unless it helps your average. Do not buy the stock unless it helps your average. Again and again and again. I love Plug long term, but do not buy unless it helps your average. If it helps your average, great, do it. But I personally wouldn't buy any TYME above the price of $2.50. I said this before the last run up, and I'm going to say it again. I'm not buying any TYME above $2.50, but anything underneath that is a buy to me. Ford West, let's go. SNDL, I like Ford. I like SNDL right now. It's got a lot of volume. Their deal looks pretty good. SSKN, Cinemark, I love Cinemark. SSKN, let's look at it. KN. SSKN, wow. Wow, SSKN looks beautiful when it comes to the chart. It's at 193. Wow. But they may report negative earnings that I've seen, but a lot of the time those news articles are kind of phooey. Skin Sciences holder close to new fund. I like it. SSKN at 193. I'm adding it to my watch list. Good find. SKT, staying away. SNDL, booming pre-market. Yes, it is. I like Cinemark, and I don't like AMC because Cinemark actually makes things. So AMC, the only business model they have is you have to go to their movie theater and watch a movie. Cinemark makes movies. You can watch it on your TV. You can watch it on your tablet. You can watch it on your computer. You can watch it on your phone. You can't watch AMC movies with your phone or your TV. Until they do that, they're in big trouble. The market will never be normal. Never. Guys, the market is not e-normal right now. This is actually a normal occurrence that happens in the stock market all the time. It's just a lot of people just started recently investing and they haven't seen something like this. TTCF, I like it long term. AMC is a Reddit name though. I know it's a Reddit name though, but it's something that I'm not personally going to put my money into because I have a lot of followers that lost thousands of dollars on it because other people invested into it, and I'm not going to recommend a company that I believe is going to go bankrupt. I like Huge. Thank you, my dude. I appreciate it. Yeah, just not messing with AMC, not messing with the GameStop, not touching those stocks because I know I haven't been to GameStop since I was 12 years old, and I play video games almost every single day, and I haven't been to a movie theater in about 2 years, and I almost guarantee you haven't either. MNOV. I mean, it's underneath the moving average. You know what they say, the trend is your friend, and I think the bottom on here is probably 577-ish, and we're pretty close to it. So if you're going to get into it, it'd be a pretty good time to get into it. But personally, stocks like this, very volatile, huge drop, great swing play, but personally, I'm staying away. OCG, I like OCG. IDEX, I love IDX, $5 price target by the end of the year. OCG, let's look at it. OCG, Oriental Culture Holdings, looking like it's up 76% today. When anything is up 76% today, I'm going to say it's a no-go. Most of the time when that happens, it is way above what it's supposed to be and crashes right at the beginning of the day. So as you can see, the moving average is all the way sitting down at $7.67, which is $5.67, which is way, way, way below its current price. OCG, if you're not currently in it, I'm staying away. But if you are, I'd click that sell button. Good morning, James. Thank you for so much for coming in. Should you buy some XL today? So XL, I'm being very cautious on XL. If XL goes below $20, it's at $12.71. If XL goes below $12, I will be selling 12 shares of XL just for safety purposes, just because you see how UWMC went. You see how all these SPAC deals, they went up, then they got plowed and went all the way to $7, even $6. UWMC seeing some movement. It's up 11.7% for me since I bought it. AR doing pretty good. I love AR. But overall, when it comes to a stock like that, you got to be very careful. ORC, high dividend yield. Orchard Island, yeah, a high dividend yield. It's at 6%. It's looking like the chart's looking pretty good here. Just bounced off the, the VWAP here, and it's looking pretty good on the 4-hour chart. I like the 4-hour chart. The 4-hour chart looks really good for a lot of stocks out there, guys, so be patient. TXMD, I love TXMD. I personally sold some after that huge run up the other day. I only had 2 shares, but hey, I took it. I like Sen's long term. HITIV is under or overvalued. I sold my AMC at a huge loss to move the rest somewhere else. Yeah, I understand that. The thing is, you don't want to ever rely on hype from a stock bringing your stock price up. What's the Fed news? So what happened with the Fed news is the federal government said that they will not be increasing interest rates up until 2023. So that's good news. No interest rates means companies can borrow more money at a very, very low interest rate, basically zero, and it's good for the companies that you own because they're going to be able to make more money and put more money into your pocket. And that's what we like to see. So basically, in my mind, we avoided a market crash until the year of 2023. AGTC, a good buy? I think it is. Did you get unemployment? I'm not on unemployment anymore. I'm done with unemployment. I'm just doing my thing all on my own. Let's go. It's been scary, but some of you guys have even sent me money to help me out, and I really appreciate it. I wasn't asking for anyone to send me anything, but to the guys who did, thank you so much. I love and appreciate every single one of you guys. Donations are always encouraged, but I promise you, I will never straight up say, please give me money, unless it's for a charitable cause or we're giving money away to someone. I won't be doing that. I love all of you. And I also got my first payment from Stock Forge a little bit ago last week, so we're looking good in the money department right now, so I'm not really too worried. Do I think the market recovers today or more blood? I think the market recovers today. I think you're going to see some blood in the morning, but nothing too harsh. It's like maybe a 2% drop or something, and I think we finish green the rest of the day. I mean, the news that came out from the federal government yesterday was great. There's going to be a lot of people looking to buy more stocks today. I really like it, especially with a lot of people getting their stimulus money. I love the rest of this week. Gevo, I like Gevo long term. OMI, I don't invest in any cryptocurrencies other than Litecoin, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. I'm sorry. Investing in that stimmy. I don't get the stimulus check personally, so I don't get a stimulus check, so I can't be investing the stimmy like everyone's saying. But my parents claim me as a dependent because they pay for partial of my rent while I'm in college. And so they don't pay the whole thing, but just because they pay partial of it and they make more money, I give them a tax break by letting them claim me as a dependent. So it helps my parents out, and they help me out because of it. So I make sure to just claim myself as a dependent. They make too much money for me to be able to get a stimulus check, so I'm no good with the stimmy. So I'll just tough it up. Everyone gets one, even if you're a dependent, you get $1,400. I didn't get $1,400. I don't think that's true. I'll talk to the person that, see, if you're a dependent and your parents make more than $150,000 a year, then you don't get a stimulus check. Well, they don't tell you. Even though my parents' income has nothing to do with my income, it's not how it works. Most college kids get absolutely screwed when it comes to the stimulus check, and most of them aren't getting one. PLTR, I love PLTR. OCGN, staying away. TCAT, TCAT is a mover. We called it in a Discord a while ago. It's actually doing really good. I didn't call it. The people in my Discord called it. Make sure to, I want to do a really test real quick here. For those of you who are in the live and are not in StockForge Discord, I want you to try to go to my bio right now, click on the link, and go to the free Discord and see if you can join the Discord. And if you can't, please, someone let me know in the comments. I got a few people saying the link wasn't working, and I want to be able to fix that link if that's the case. But everything on my end says it's working. So if someone can try to check that out and let me know while we're in the live stream, that'd be perfect, because I can't just leave. CCNC, personally staying away. TNXP, I like TNXP. I took my profit though. What's your Pi referral code? Message me and I'll give you my Pi referral code. I mine Pi every single day. I have about 3,800. If you don't know what Pi coin is, it's basically a free cryptocurrency you can mine on your phone for no cost at all. And it's a coin made by Stanford University. So it's definitely something you might want to check out. It could be a potential for free money in the future. Right now, I've just been mining my Pi every day for about a year or so. And I have 3,800 Pi. So right now, it's currently worth about $88. Zomedica, I don't like the company. I personally don't think it's a good investment. There's a lot of better opportunities. I like PLTR. I think it's a pretty good price point. Gold, I like gold, but personally, if you're going to invest in gold, why not invest in Bitcoin? We don't know how much gold is in the world. We know how much Bitcoin is in the world. There could be an asteroid out in outer space with more gold. We have no idea. There could be gold in the ground that we haven't found yet. We have no idea. So the thing is, we don't know how much gold there is in the world truly, but we do know how much Bitcoin there is. We do know how much Litecoin there is. It's the future. Wake up. TTCF, personally, I like it long term, but I'm staying away. CTRM, I don't like CTRM personally. I'm staying away from that. I love CLDR. I got a $20 plus price target. Just accepted. Discord invite is active and works. Perfect. That's what I like to see. I had some people yesterday. So that's what I like to see. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. And it looks like we're not going to be able to do an hour-long live stream. I would love to do an hour-long live stream, but my phone is at 20%, so it looks like we'll probably be doing the live stream the normal time today. And, hey, maybe I'll go live later today, and I'm going to make a lot of content today for you guys. So make sure in the StockForge Discord, I'm trying to talk with the guys to get me a channel for content ideas that you guys can put in there. But just make sure to, if you're not in the StockForge Discord, get in there. It's really great. There's a free version and an optional premium version if you want to do one down the road. I'm not trying to stuff it down your throats. It's just how I make a living, and that's how I'm trying to fulfill my dream. Good luck to everyone today, obviously, and then just make sure to get in that StockForge Discord. It's free. You get to see every single trade I make live, and so that's great. PC setup, I don't have a PC setup yet. No update on that yet, but my friend still hasn't moved his bed. Should be by the end of the month this month. How do you balance your portfolio? What percentage is high risk, high reward? So personally right now, I'm going a little bit more risky in my portfolio right now. I'm not going to lie to you. Right now, like I've been saying, I don't follow by example of what I'm doing. I mean, obviously, it's terrible practice to do, but right now I have 75% of my portfolio in TYME. It's something that most of you should never do, and you should always diversify. But, hey, Joey, why are you doing this? I'm in the $5,000 challenge trying to make $1 million. You have to take some risks when it comes to that. And I saw TYME, I've done my research, and I've done my due diligence, trust me, every single day. And I can tell you for sure that when this pays off, it's going to be a huge boost to this challenge. It's going to be a huge boost to a bunch of people's portfolios. And when this pays off, it's going to give us a lot of opportunities to be able to buy other stocks with a lot more money. So I'm really excited about that. TYME gang, yep, I like IPOE, OGZPY, usually when it has 5 letters like that, and it's absolutely crazy, it's not a good stock. I love PLTR, CPNG, I love CPNG long-term, FSR, I love FSR long-term as well, but they're not going to be starting making product until the year of 2022, so make sure to be careful on that. My pleasure, personally, yeah, usually I do a lot less risk when it comes to this, but when the correction happened, there's nothing you could really do. I held on to all my stocks like I said I was going to, most of them anyway, and it came right back. So we're doing pretty good here. At one point, we were all the way down to $4,400 in the $5,000 challenge, and now we are currently at $6,434.81. Not too bad. I'll take it. Sell XL. I'm not selling any XL unless it goes under the $12 mark. That is a huge area of support and resistance if we go under it. So if we hold the $12 mark, I'm going to keep all my 32 shares. If we go below $12, I will be selling 12 shares, just free up some room and get ready. How much do I think one Pi coin will be worth? Neo, I love Neo. BLPD staying away. When it comes to Pi coin, BYDDY, I like it. When it comes to Pi coin, I probably think Pi coin could be anywhere worth about 50 cents to $1. But let's look at how much Pi coin is worth right now. So the thing is, everyone's using this app to mine Pi at a very low Pi rate. You know what I mean? Like I think I make 0.23 Pi an hour, right? And so just keep doing it. You press the button every 24 hours. And right now the price of Pi is 4 cents. So if I think it gets to 50 cents, $1 once they stop mining on it, as soon as more pioneers get on there. It has a market cap rank of number 540, and it's free to mine. If one Pi could equal $100 in the future, it'd be absolutely insane, but I don't think that's possible with the current supply and whatnot. But we just got to see. We don't know. Where do I get pick and referral code? I can give you my referral code if you DM me after. Yeah, there's no chance of it going to $100, maybe 50 cents to $1 once they stop mining and if it becomes something. But it's a free crypto mining app. So how many shares of XL you got? I have 32 personally. How do you mine Pi? There's an app and you have to get an invite code. If you want to DM me after this live stream, I will make sure to send you my referral code and you can get on my mining team and we can mine some Pi together. QD, bro? How do you get invited to Pi? I'll send you an invite after this. Just message me after. You can't download the app on the App Store. You have to be invited from someone that's already mining. I can send you guys an invite. Just make sure to message me. And after this live stream, I'll make sure to help you guys out. I love JMIA. Let's see. Hi, Joey. How's it going? Average Joe Blow. Discord links work perfect. Thank you so much for letting me know. More pioneers. Yeah, it's free crypto mining. I mean, that's just how it is. I'm not making any money by telling people that I do it every day. I have 3,000 Pi. Plug, I love Plug long term. LGHL staying away. Oh, thank you so much for reminding me. QD, let's look at it. I love CAN and SOS, by the way. QDN, it's sitting at 302. It's sitting right at the EMA, I'm sorry. Sitting right at the EMA. Looks like it could bounce off of it, and it's looking like it has a probability to. But right now, if we look at their financials, not really a lot of stuff there. But they did crush earnings quarter 3 of 2020. It doesn't say anything on the quarter 4 2020 on here. And it has a price of about $1.90 on Webull. Personally, with this lack of information and this company, and this is a small cap Chinese stock, I'm staying away. I'm 22 years old. I was born on October 4th, 1998. Some people say I look 30. Some people say I look 12. I guess I look like both. I don't know what to tell you guys. I love Rocket Mortgage. I've been calling it out since $18, guys. Rocket Mortgage, they completely dominate the mortgage industry when it comes to the Metro Detroit area where I happen to grow up. Oh, 22, nice. I love Neo. Gevo had bad earnings, so might see a nice dip. Yep, looks like Gevo did miss earnings. They could have a pretty solid dip on the way, but as we all know, a solid dip means a good buying opportunity. How tall are you? I'm 6 foot tall. Thank you, my dude. Came in, love you to death. You look like a QT. That's I like it. Dropbox, I love Dropbox. GGTTF staying away. LPCN staying away. AVGR, I like AVGR long term. You look short, but you're tall. You're 100% right. I actually I have this thing called scoliosis. A lot of people I don't really talk about it that much. It's not like a huge deal, but my spine is curved, and so when I sit down, I kind of like slunch and go like this sometimes when I'm trying to talk into the camera. But yeah, I'm actually kind of tall. Not a lot of people really expect that. From Canton, oh, I love to see it. I used to bowl against Canton all the time. I don't like AMC. I know they look great. I'm staying away, though. Shall I keep XL? Average $16.81. I'm keeping XL unless it goes under $12. I'm going to sell 12 of them. I currently own 32 at $19.34. NRZ still climbing. You're 100% right about that. GoPro, I'm staying away. Ever been to Nebraska? I've never been to Nebraska. I wish I could. What about Big Dog? Big Dog, I'm staying away from personally. OCGN long term, add to my pie team. Oh, I already have a pie team. I mine pie every day. If you guys want to join my pie team, make sure to send me a message. I'll send you the invite link and we can get it going. Best platform to buy cryptocurrency, I would probably say Coinbase. MJ versus PotX. They're both great pot ETFs. It's a really hard question to decipher. I don't know exactly what holdings they differ from. Good morning, John. But personally, I love both of those stocks. I think they're both great. My TYME average currently is $2.23.2. I recommended it at 176, had 100 shares at 176, sold 400 at 416, and then been slowly buying since 240 as it continues to dip. And I currently have 2,226 shares at $2.23.2. I like YOLO as well. From my mining affiliate link, I make $0 from my mining affiliate link because I don't have a mining affiliate link. Plan on doing dividends, investing for an income in the future? Oh yeah, I do plan on. I have a pretty good set of ETF, not ETFs. I have a pretty good set of dividend stocks. I mean, I don't have a bunch right now because I'm trying to be a little more risky with TYME, but we will definitely be getting some. Right now, my biggest dividend stock at the moment is SWCH. They're currently making a data farm in Grand Rapids, Michigan. It's currently trading at $15.50. They reported a 5-cent dividend per share, and I currently own 15. And so I think that's going to be a great long-term hold, as data is the most valuable resource in the world. ACST, I like it. PLTR, love it. YOLO and Moon, I like those. What do you think good entry point is for gray? I could try. I can't get it every time. But I feel like if you're going to enter gray, it's right now. It's pretty low right now. The bottom, yeah, it's definitely almost time. If you're going to buy it, probably around 665, definite bottom. But it looks like it's bottoming out pretty hard here. Opening in 1 minute here. I don't like gray personally. They're very new. They have a price target about $23. It could be great long term, but I really do think it dropped a lot and is kind of some cause for concern there almost. But if you're going to buy this stock right now is 100% the time as it's starting to trade sideways. I love PLTR. PLTR is a great one. Butterfly, I love Butterfly. Dividend ticker. The ticker that I have for a dividend, it's SWCH. Switch. S as in Scott, W as in widget, C as in cat, H as in horse. Oh yeah, my pleasure. When do you expect TYME to explode? I think it's going to have a pretty good end of the month when they release some news. Please sell TYME. I don't want you to blow your challenge. I think it will drop. Don't worry, I have a plan on if TYME drops. UAVs, just kind of doing its thing. I think it's dipping a little bit before the merger. That's what most of the SPACs do. JEPI for dividend investing. JEPI is a great dividend investment. RYCEY, staying away. My pick of the day today was the ticker MJ pot ETF. ADA and CCIV, I love both of those. I don't specifically have a PT for them. They're more long-term. CRSR, I love CRSR, a great gaming stock. CRSR. I used to own it in my portfolio. I sold it for like a 50% gain or something like that. But it will be a great stock as gaming continues to go up over the long term. XL, I like XL, but personally, I'm a little worried right now. I own 32 shares at $19.34, and it's currently at $12.77. If it goes below $12 again, which is the huge area of support that we currently have, I'll be selling 12 shares and narrowing my position down from 32 to 20. But as long as it stays above that $12 mark, I'm holding on all my 32 shares. Did you take that extra 100 back out? No, I did not take it back out. I put it into the thing. I put it into my portfolio. I just wanted to add some more TYME. I mean, this is the only portfolio I have when it comes to stocks, so I know I'm doing the $5,000 challenge, but I've been updating it in my Discord. Litecoin, by the year of March of 2024, I believe Litecoin will be at a price point of about $1,250. WDLF, well, good luck. The market is open today. Here we go. Let's look at how we're doing today so far. Right now, we got UWMC up almost 3% today. We got GBS up 1.47%. We got MJ up 0.78%. We have POTX up 0.73%. We have ACIC down a little bit. BOTS down a little bit. AR down 0.58%, ITRM down 1.18%, TYME down 1.47%, and that $2.17 range. We got Switch down 1.66% at $2. Oh, wow, it's changing so much, sorry. Switch, where'd it go? Oh, Switch is now down 1.47%. Yeah, kind of hard to keep up with this, sorry. We're just going to go down the line, so. But yeah, we have, right now, let's go over our portfolio, see what we have. In my portfolio right now for the $5,000 challenge, we have 2 shares of UWMC. We're currently up 9.47%. We have 2 shares of AR. We're currently up 1.01%. We have 5 shares of ITRM. We're currently up 0.27%. We have 2 shares of ACIC, Atlas Crest. We're down 2.8%. We have 2,226 shares of TYME, and we're currently down on these specific shares that I own, 3.12%. GBS, we have 10 shares of GBS. We're down 6.06%. BOTS, we're down 6.38% with 3 shares of those. We have 8 shares of NNDM. We're down 13.48%. SWCH, we own 15 shares, down 14.87%. POTX, we have 12 shares. We're down 20.18%. NEO, we have 10 shares, we're down 25.36%, and XL, we have 32 shares, and we're down 34.54%. So we're down a lot on some of our stocks, guys, but we sold off some of the stocks that we were up on. So overall, right now, we started with $5,000. We put $100 in extra on my challenge, right? So I guess we started with $5,100, and right now we're at $6,456. Not too shabby. I'll take it. So far today, percent-wise, we are down 1.68%. Not bad. Not bad. How about Safe Moon? I like Safe Moon long term. I could dollar cost average on XL, but I own 32 shares at $19. Buying some is just buy Safe Moon, take risks. Yeah, take risks, but just be very careful when you do. You don't want to lose all your money. People do it all the time. NKLA staying away, FUV staying away from all airlines and cruise lines until the end of 2021. But guys, I got to get going. Thank you guys so much for joining my live stream. I love and appreciate every single one of you. Make sure to get in that Discord. We'll see why I'm making an announcement in April, either at the end of this month or in April. That's what I'm expecting. But guys, I got to get going. If you want to see this live stream again, I love DDD. SOS, EBON, I love both those. If you want to see this live stream, make sure to go to YouTube and subscribe. It's just my name. And then also make sure to get in that free Discord to see every single trade I make. Love and appreciate every single one of you. Take care, Daisy. Give me some pets to your dog for me. Love all of you. Happy trading. Make sure to do your own research. Stick to your plan. And as always, happy trading.